friends, I just wanted to go take a walk to my garden to show you that I have caterpillars. All my little caterpillars are all over my butterfly plant. They have eaten up all the leaves. It was full of leaves, but now they have eaten up most of the leaves on my plant. I know our times are crazy right now. We want to get back to school. We will soon. And there's one of the cocoons that the caterpillar created on the fence. But I just wanted to share and say hello and show you my little friends out here. And there's lots of them. And they're about to become butterflies really soon during the springtime. But I just wanted to show you my little friends and say hello. And that Miss Jessica loves and misses you guys. See you soon. Bye.